The holiday season is upon us, and I am excited for the additional time with family and friends as we near the end of our first semester. While we look ahead to the spring, I want to share some updates we are making to our COVID-19 mitigation procedures. As you are aware, the interruption to learning that our students have experienced over the past 2 years has been the greatest challenge public education has faced for many, many years. At times, it has been overwhelming for our staff and as challenging for the students we serve. I am immensely proud of the work that our nurses, principals, support staff, and teachers have done to support our students and their families as we have waited for the availability of vaccinations for our youngest students. As we now have vaccines available to all students and staff who want them, I have been working with our governing board to create a more targeted approach to our quarantining procedures. I have asked our COVID-19 response team to update our process for when students are identified as a close contact of someone who has tested positive for COVID-19. In most cases, immediately quarantining all students who are a close contact will no longer be our first step. Of course, parents will always have the option to keep their child home. We will continue to highly recommend that parents consider testing, masking, and doing daily health checks prior to sending their child, who has been identified as a close contact, to school. This does not mean that we will no longer be using quarantine as a mitigation strategy, but that it will no longer be the first thing we do when a school experiences a positive case. We will work closely with our partners at Maricopa County Department of Health Services as they provide our schools direction as we navigate this pandemic. As always, we will closely monitor the impact COVID-19 is having on student learning and make changes to our mitigation strategies as necessary. For our incredible teachers and staff to ensure that our students are prepared to shape their tomorrow, we need to adapt and find ways to keep our healthy students in class where they can experience a safe and engaging learning environment. For more information regarding our mitigation strategies, please go to www.peoriaunified.org/COVID mitigation. I wish you all a happy and wonderful winter break.